Hello, dear YouTubers. I am Dr. Ashok Rana from Yamunanagar. Today I will be continuing the topic of high salt intake, that is sodium chloride, in average Indian daily diet, which is about double the quantity prescribed by the WHO and National Institute of Nutrition of India. Normally they prescribe that it should be less than 5 gram, almost about 3 to 4 grams per day per person. But in India we are taking about 8 to 11 grams sodium chloride per day in our cooked food and other items, including packaged food, etc. Now, why it is important to restrict our salt intake? Because excessive salt intake, it has been estimated that about 1,75,000 patients have died because of the complications of excessive salt intake. That means hypertension. Now, this hypertension can lead to heart diseases, brain stroke, kidney failure, eye disease, etc. So, the most important being brain stroke and heart attacks. Now, these conditions are such that if the patient happens to reach in time in the hospital, only then it can be saved. Otherwise, if he happens to remain oblivious of this disease or this aspect of the disease, then he may have to face the consequences and his family is to face the consequences. Now, it has been advocated that in children it should be started at an early age so that the children's taste bud adapt themselves to the low salt intake in the foods. जैसे हम लोग कहते हैं कि भी बच्चों को टेस्ट नहीं अच्छा आ रहा, तो हम शुरू से बचपन से ही उन बच्चों को लो साल्ट की आदत डालेंगे, तो जिसकी वजह से जो बच्चों की ज़्यादा साल्ट खाने की जो क्रेविंग है या हैबिट है वो कम हो जाएगी और ख़त्म हो जाएगी. Number 2, it has been seen that the patients, adult patients, adolescents and children who are taking high sodium chloride in their food items, cooked food, etc., they are likely to develop hypertension, which is manifested in adult life. Now, this hypertension is very important cause of financial burden on the family of that child or adolescent person, as well as the physical ailment he may suffer in future. So, it was very important topic as decided and as discussed at New Delhi that the salt intake has to be reduced so that our coming population, next generation, should remain less than disease free. Now, it has been seen that the cooked items contain, we take about cooked item, 80% cooked items we take from our home and 20% from outside, like foods from pre-packed foods and confectionery items. Now, these things contain salts which are more than recommended levels. So, the government has been advised to do some programming of these confectionery producing persons and factories, that they should mention on their products that low salt intake is to be used. जैसे कि कैंसर उसके बीड़ी के ऊपर, तंबाकू के ऊपर लिखा होता है कैंसर कॉज करता है, ऐसे ही इन आइटम्स पर भी लिखा जाए कि हाई साल्ट इंटेक इज़ इंजूरियस टू योर हेल्थ ड्यू टू हाई ब्लड प्रेशर एंड इट्स कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस. इस टाइप से कोई स्लोगन लिखा जाना चाहिए. सेकेंड पार्ट ये देखने में आया है कि जो हमारे कुछ परिवार हैं, दे आर टेकिंग पिंक साल्ट, रॉक साल्ट, एक्सेट्रा. नाउ दीज साल्ट्स आर द सेम एज वी यूज वाइट साल्ट. Now, the only difference is minor difference of trace elements or like minerals, magnesium, zinc, calcium, etc., etc. but it should always be iodized salt. So it has been recommended that it should be iodized salt, but there is no difference about, जैसे कि कहते हैं कि लाहौरी नमक है, पहाड़ी नमक है, उसमें ये चीज़ कम है, उसमें ये चीज़ ज़्यादा है. नथिंग लाइक दैट, हार्डली माइनर डिफरेंस ऑफ द मिनरल्स ओनली. उसके बाद हमें जो टेबल पे एक्स्ट्रा साल्ट के आइटम्स हैं, पिकल्स हो गया, सॉस हो गया, और उसके अलावा पापड़, सच चटनीज, सच टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स शुड बी मिनिमाइज्ड. और अगर वो हम लेंगे तो हम अपना खाने में नमक को कम रखें. तो आज मेरी ये शॉर्ट वीडियो इसी कॉन्टेक्स्ट में है कि आई शुड मेक यू अवेयर दैट द इंक्रीजिंग नंबर ऑफ हाइपरटेंशन इन अवर इंडिया is about, it has been seen the hypertensive patients is a major cardiovascular disease risk factor affecting 220 million Indians. जो ब्लड प्रेशर है वो 220 मिलियन इंडियंस को अफेक्ट करता है, और उसमें से 2.6 मिलियन पेशेंट्स डाई ग्लोबली फ्रॉम CVD, out of which more than 50% are due to high blood pressure. And in India, approximately 7 crore adolescents live with high blood pressure, putting them at 7 times great risk of developing adult hypertension. So, you should endeavor to reduce your salt intake in the cooked food, as well as extra salt you are taking in the form of pickles, papad, chutney, sauce, etc. etc. So, thank you. Please share this video in your groups. It's highly important. I have just gone through the topic in the Times of India paper, and that's why I thought I should make you aware of this part of the daily life. Thank you.